Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make aloe vera rasam. This is a very healthy recipe and an immunity booster, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken a piece of aloe vera. Make sure it's nice and tender. Cut the aloe vera into two halves like this. Scoop out the gel and keep it ready. Transfer the aloe vera gel to a mortar and pestle and crush them well. Keep this ready. Again, to a mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorn and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. Then to this add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot. To this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek, quarter teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies and a pinch of asafoetida. Give it a quick mix. Then add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped and the aloe vera paste. Give it a quick mix. To this add a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mashy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious aloe vera rasam is ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Do try this aloe vera rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.